Welcome to Learn English Like a Native. My best friend.
My best friend is more than just a companion. They are like family to me. We've known each other for so many years that I can't imagine my life without them. From the moment we met, there was an instant connection, a bond that has only grown deeper with time. We've gone through so much together, joys, challenges, successes, and failures, and every experience has only strengthened our friendship. One of the things I love most about my best friend is their unwavering loyalty. No matter what happens, I know I can count on them to stand by my side. They are the first person I call when something exciting happens, and the first person I turn to when I need comfort or advice. They have seen me at my best and my worst, and they accept me just as I am. There's no need to put on a facade or pretend to be someone else when I'm with them. I can be my true self. We share so many common interests and passions, which makes spending time together even more enjoyable. Whether we're exploring new hobbies, watching our favorite movies, or just hanging out, we always have a great time. But even though we have so much in common, we also respect and appreciate our differences. Our friendship is built on mutual respect, understanding, and a deep appreciation for each other's unique qualities. As we continue to grow and navigate the different stages of life, I know our friendship will remain a constant source of strength and joy. We've made a promise to each other to always stay connected, no matter where life takes us. I look forward to all the new memories we will create together, and I am excited to see what the future holds for our friendship. In a world that is constantly changing, having a best friend like mine is a rare and priceless gift. I am thankful every day for their presence in my life, and I can't imagine going through life's journey without them by my side.
Some verbs and phrases.
1. Known. We've known each other for years. 2. Imagine. I can't imagine life without them. 3. Met. We met and connected instantly. 4. Grown. Our bond has grown stronger. 5. Strengthened. Challenges have strengthened our friendship. 6. Count. I can count on them always. 7. Accept. They accept me as I am. 8. Making. They have a way of making me laugh. 9. Rely. I rely on their advice. 10. Inspires. Their kindness inspires me.
Some adjectives and phrases.
1. Loyal. My best friend is incredibly loyal. 2. Wise. They are very wise and insightful. 3. Generous. Their heart is generous and kind. 4. Infectious. Their humor is infectious. 5. Honest. They give honest advice. 6. Supportive. My friend is always supportive. 7. Caring. They are extremely caring. 8. Understanding. They are deeply understanding. 9. Compassionate. Their nature is compassionate. 10. Respectful. Our friendship is built on being respectful.
Now try to read out loud. Keep it up, every lesson helps you get better. At English, we're excited to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to share and like and subscribe for more lessons.